Hey everybody, so for today in social studies class, you're going to be working in Khan Academy. I've assigned 6 activities that you need to complete, and they are due at the end of your asynchronous learning day tomorrow. I apologize for not being able to be here today, but I have to be out because my wife and I have to go have a meeting about our new baby that we're going to have in about a month, and this is what I expect you to be working on. So there's a video for Spanish colonization. Then there's an article about Spanish conquistadors and the colonial empire, the Pueblo uprising of 1680, comparing European and Native American cultures. Then there's a lesson summary article, and then finally you have the Spanish colonization. It's a quiz, and this one is one of the big assignments. So, again, today for social studies, this is what I want you working on. There'll be an email. This is in Google Classroom, the link to everything. And thanks for logging in. Thanks for all you do. And I will see you all on Monday. Have a great, wonderful Thursday and an asynchronous learning day. Don't forget, on asynchronous learning day, if you need anything at all, don't hesitate to email, call, or text. And I can open up Zoom sessions, and I'm happy to sit with you and work through any issues that you might be having. Thank you. Goodbye.